Hi all, welcome to another interesting session. Today we will go for another round for AI hands-on. So recently there was news for Bard AI. They have started implementing of creation of images from text. So there was some speculation about it will come to Bard, but yesterday, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, they have rolled out to public, and now there was a news that results are very good. So we will first go to Bard, and they will since ChatGPT had not rolled out for were free for general public. It is only for, I think, pro users, but for Bard and Copilot, Bing, they have free, so anyone can access that creation of images from text like prompts. So let's check. For first we will check Bard, and we will check Copilot, and we will try to compare for same prompt what is the difference we get, or which image output is much better. Let's check. So this is for Bard, and it requires your Gmail account. Most of the time you have uh, most users have this Gmail account, so it's almost mandatory nowadays, it seems, but not mandatory, but everyone uses. So let's start with this question where we will ask what if they can generate images or not. Oh, how can? Because it rolled out, and before the starting of this video I actually tried, but it seems there is a still glitch, or I'm not sure why it's denying itself, but I'm sure it's rolled out, and I think it's in update. Yeah, update here. So yeah, here it is update available that you can create captivating images for work, play, anything. So I'm not sure why it's denying here, but let's check. Uh, let's give direct prompt to this Bard, and uh, if that glitch is still present or disappear, or it give create images from prompt. Mm, hope it will create image. Yeah, it's showing it will in process of creating image, but here it is denying not sure. Yeah, so we have this two images created by Bard, and output is good. So here we will click generate more. Okay, at a time they are Bard creating two images, but we have option to generate more images as well. So it seems there is we require to enter new prompt for more images. So first it will give two images, then plus two, and then it require we can use same prompt with for different variation, or we can use new prompt as well. So this is Bard for you, and with glitch, and let's check same question to Copilot. Here we will use, here we have option as creative, balance and precise. So we are creating images, so I will use more this creative mode. I'm not sure it is only happening with me, or uh, just a coincidence, because for both Bard and Copilot I'm getting denied to generate images by these two AI tools. So here we will go again on same format which I have used for this Bard. We will directly use prompt, and let's check if that Copilot give uh, output as images or not. Okay, I'm using same image with new topic. Okay, so for earlier topic we use same image, but it did our request got denied, and now with this. Okay, I think there is a issue with this one because of that. Okay, new topic. Again, the same request with we require for this search option. Yeah, it's getting generated. So this search plugin should be activated. So what do you think, which images are better? This Copilot images are much scarier as compared to Bard. That I feel, my personal opinion. Maybe if we use same prompt, we will get uh, another output with not much, so much scarier, robots and human. But here we only see robots with uh, without any human beings, and here we are getting good result in Bard. Yeah, here we have like two robots, but we have few humans and giant robot there. Here we have only two skeleton of humans without any robots. So let's check if we use same prompt here, then what is the outcome. I will use same prompt here again. As compared to Bard, Copilot taking more time. Here we have generated only one images as of now, and it's more like combination of this image and this. Let's generate more. Earlier we got on first instance we got 2, then 2, but here we got only 1. And this image I'm not sure why it's showing dark. Yeah, it's progressing. So yeah, here we got good images for this, but here we have only humans are playing with in observation of kind of observation of robots. Here we can see some interaction between humans and robots. Here only robots. So in Bing there is a much of robots presence we can see as compared to Bard. So that's it for today. We have checked for same prompt for Bard and Copilot, but for Bard, when we try to generate images, we there was Bard denying. We have seen instance that Bard is denying that they can't directly generate images, and same happened with Copilot. But as per like Copilot already started creating images, but Bard is also recently started this text to image format. Maybe there is some technical glitch, or it may there are chances that many users are trying to generate images, and due to that this task not complete on first question itself. But when we directly provide prompt, we got output, and as compared to Copilot, Bard is showing some kind of accurate as prompt text, some kind of accurate output. So that's it for today. We will meet tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.